Hello friends, today we're going to draw Ruby Gloom. Ruby is a cheerful girl who always sees the bright side of life. Get your pen and paper ready. We'll start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. And by the way, I like her dress and the color of her hair. Alright, are you ready? Let's begin!
First, let's draw her big round eyes. Add a slightly smaller circle as her pupil. Here you see a trick to make a cartoon character look cuter is to draw their pupils larger. Add a few small circles inside the pupil as highlights.
Adding highlights to cartoon character eyes can make them look more lively because highlights mimic the reflection of light, which occurs naturally in real eyes. This adds depth and dimension to the eyes, making them appear more realistic and engaging.
Now let's draw her distinctive eyebrows. Add a few eyelashes. Fill in the pupils with black. And a little curve just below the eyes. Let's move on to her cheeks. From above the forehead, draw the edge of her hair. Her face looks like the shape of an onion. Alright, now let's move on to her neck and body. Note the width of her upper body is about the same as her two big eyes. Now slightly extend the line on both sides as her waist. Next, we're going to draw her skirt. Here we're going to draw a few curves, so it's totally okay if your lines are different from mine. Skirts come in many varieties. Next, we're going to draw her legs. The position of the legs is also about the width of her eyes. Her right foot is slightly turned inward.
When someone's feet are turned inward while standing, it might indicate introversion, caution, or lack of confidence in their personality or mood.
Let's add her left foot. Now we're going to add a few details to her shoes. Next, we're going to draw her shoulder, arms, and hand. The line for her upper arm ends about waist here, and the length of her forearm should reach just above the skirt. On the other side, her right hand is behind her body, making it simple to draw. Now we move on to her hair. On top of her head, we're going to draw two curved lines, about the same width as her face. Here we're going to draw 5 tufts of hair that flip downwards. Now add another 3 tufts that flip upwards. Okay, repeat the same on the other side. Finally, let's add a few more details before we color her in.
We've outlined Ruby. Let's color her in. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos.
Feel free to use any color you like.
Hooray!
We've done drawing Ruby. We hope you had fun drawing along with us. See you next time. Bye!